Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening our Walmart beauty box for summer of 2023. If you are new around here and you have not seen the Walmart beauty box, this is a seasonal subscription. I want to say it's about $7 to get this box. Sometimes it comes with full-size products, sometimes it comes with samples, and every single time it is products that you can purchase at Walmart. If you have not seen my channel, you probably don't know, but I am obsessed with Walmart. I am wearing a Walmart shirt. I just got back home from Walmart, and then I found this Walmart box outside of my door. So needless to say, I'm pretty excited for my Walmart filled day. Let's go ahead and dive into this. But before we do, I did want to say I am in the process of moving. So this is probably the last video that you'll see in this room. So get ready for a new background with hopefully even more exciting content coming your way. Let's open it up. I did get version 1. I want to say there are about 10 versions, and every time they will have a card in here that has all of the different products that you could receive as well as the pricing. So you're not going to get everything on here, but you'll get, I think, 5 to 7 items in there. So let's see what we got. This is what my box looks like. First thing I'm seeing is a set of fake nails. These are from Salon Perfect, and these are the Mani to Go. I am not sure what color this is. Maybe it's Mani on the Move? I'm not sure, but it's a really pretty kind of dark purple. I have to say I probably would want to save this for the fall. I don't think this really reads summer, but these are pretty good value, so I'm excited to have them. And these retail for $4.94. So that's pretty good. Then I'm seeing Bolden Dark Spot Fix. This is a sample size. Oh no, this is a full size actually. So this is, yeah, what? The full size of this says it's 1 ounce at $18.98. So this is more than double the cost of the box. That's pretty exciting. Wow. Cool. So daily use for 12 weeks, and you should see some very noticeable results in reducing your dark spots. That's pretty excited. I'm on a very strict prescription skincare routine right now, so I won't use this, but I will save it for a future giveaway. $18.98. That is a great value. Then we have the Hask Argan Oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray. I appreciate that they put it in a bag so it doesn't spill. So this is what that looks like. This is a sample size. Yeah, this is a sample size. The full size is $7.27. So that's pretty good. I'm excited to smell this. I love the Hask brand. Oh, wow. Kind of smells like oranges. I really like that. I like spraying stuff like this on my hair before I go in the pool so that my ends don't dry out, but happy to have another one of these for sure. What is this? Glamour Glitter Bonnet Cap. Look how fun this is. It's actually glittery. I'm hoping that you can tell. That is so fun. And it says that new packaging will be coming, and this is in the extra large pink pearl. I'm hoping that this fits my hair. I'm worried the extra large might be a little too big, but this is really fun. This is also a full size at $3.97. So another fantastic full size item. 3 out of 4 so far being full size is pretty good. Ooh, okay. And then lastly, we have the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. Look how fun that packaging is. And this is a full size as well at $7.98. Let's see what we got. This is in Let's Get Physical, like F-I-Z-Z. I'm excited to see what it smells like. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't put my finger on what this is, but it smells so good. Ooh, it's like kind of like a birthday cake, but sweeter. There's something fruity in there. I love it. Kind of smells like Banana Boat sunscreen and birthday cake, but in a good way. Because that doesn't sound like it's a good way, but I really, really like this. Wow. Okay, that's probably got to be one of my favorite beauty boxes that I've ever gotten. In terms of value, this is off the charts, and I actually think every product in here is something that will be usable with the exception of this dark spot cream, but honestly, for almost 20 bucks, I'm pretty happy to have received this. So in total, let's see what my value is. Everything that is full size, which is 4 out of the 5 items, totals to be $36. And then we also get the sample of this argan oil spray, which I'm gonna guess comes out to be about $2 based on the fact that this is almost 2 fluid ounces and the full size is 6. So I feel like that's pretty close to $2. So $30 more of value from a $7 box. Yet again, Walmart just, it never lets me down. They really just never let me down. This is a fantastic box. I'm obsessed with it. If you're interested in trying the Walmart Beauty Box, link will be down below. Not a referral link. I don't think they have a referral program, but it is so good. Go get you one. I love it. So that's my box. I'm super excited. If you've tried any of these products, let me know. And if you have the Walmart Beauty Box subscription, let me know what you got in your box. Super excited to chat down below. Look forward to seeing you in my next video in my new home. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.